Yes, it's your boy BABYKATT85, but this is when you know a bird is angry. What type of bird would do some shit like this, man? You feel me? What type of bird would keep shitting on the same? Whoever the owner of this vehicle is pissed somebody off. This is crazy. Okay, now here's one of these vehicles that I be driving. It's my shit, actually. You know, I got 1, 2. Okay, they hit me. But that, somebody is angry. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. There's an angry bird around this motherfucker, man. I'm gonna end this video by saying, look, let's look at this. They up there, where they at? See that pigeon? That nigga is dumping on that car from hundreds of miles in the air. I don't know how many miles that thing is, just landing right on that damn car right there, man. I need y'all to like and subscribe. There's a bird in the sky, and that bird is angry at this car. Hey, like, man, you understand me? Like and subscribe to BABYKATT85. They trying to poop on my car. I got to go.